Hi folks, this is Beryl with Cajun Cooking TV, and I have a super easy dinner for you tonight to make tonight. And I'm going to be using the quick cooker, or if you have an instant pot, same thing, an electric pressure cooker. So stay tuned. We'll be back in 3, 2, 1.
And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when we upload another awesome video.
So let's get started cooking our beef stew. I've got a 1.5 pounds of stew meat, and that's enough for the two of us for 2 nights. So you would just need to kind of quantify that if you need to make more. So the first thing I do is take some salt and pepper and season this meat. Put some seasoning in there. You'll need a large bowl to move this all around. And I'm going to put some Tony Chachere's. All right. There. And I got some black pepper. Okay. Then I take some flour, and I have this little mesh. You don't have to do this part, but if you have one, and it helps spread that flour around really softly. All right, now I'm going to toss this all around and get everybody coated. Get them good and coated. And this flour, we're going to brown it, and this flour is going to help make a yummy gravy for our beef stew. And this is a great weeknight meal, especially for an electric pressure cooker, because you can throw this together probably within an hour. Okay, so I'm done with that. Get all this off of me. And, okay, next up I need to preheat my quick cooker so that I can brown the meat. Let's see. Oh, I need to move it to sear, which is the first one. There it is. I'm going to press start. Now this sear cycle lasts for 20 minutes, but you can always cancel it if you don't need that long. Just gonna coat the bottom with some peanut oil, or you can use whatever oil you have. There we go. And once that heats up, I'm gonna brown this meat, like in 2 batches, and then we'll put everything all together and close up the lid. Okay, y'all, that heated up really quick. I do like that. So I'm going to place some of this beef stew chunks in here. And I'm just going to brown it on all sides. And you might need to do it in 2 or 3 batches, just depends on how much you have. I got room for one more. Well, we're coming along. I'm going to go ahead and chop up an onion. I have a sweet onion, And I had some chopped up celery that I used on a dish yesterday. So I'm gonna put that in there. And normally Mike likes to put some white turnip roots in here. And they almost look like potatoes to me, but he wasn't able to find them at the market today. But literally, you could put that in there. You could put, what else could you put in it? You could put potatoes, like little red potatoes. You want to do the red ones so they don't fall apart. All right, so I pulled all that meat out. Now I'm putting in the onions down in that good oil and browning at the bottom. Get some of the celery. Another cup. There we go. I've been snacking on it. And then I have 3 pods of minced garlic. Mix that in there. There we go. Okay, just wanted to say this. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use beef stock, vegetable stock. People even use water, but this is what we have on hand, so that's what I'm using. Now let's get our carrots in there. That's pretty simple. And if you have any other add-ins you want to put in there, just like a crawfish ball, just put it in there. Mushrooms, whatever. All right, I'm gonna stir it up a little. Those carrots are gonna float on top.
Did you know Cajun Cooking TV has a cookbook called Cajun Cooking Made Easy? Purchase today to enjoy our full recipes, instructions, links on how-to videos, and much, much more.
All right, y'all, so this is a pressure cooker, so I want to make sure my seal is in its right and proper position. And it is, it's good and tight. So I'm turning it. The steam valves are where they need to be, facing each other and flush. And so now I need to turn you to where I can see you. There is 16 pre-programmed settings. So I'm gonna get it over. I think I passed it up. Where'd it go? There it goes. There's one for beef and pork. And it's automatically set at 35 minutes, but I'm gonna increase that a little bit. So you just hit time, and I'm gonna put it up to 45 minutes, okay? So this is gonna heat up and create that pressure with all that chicken stock liquid and really cook this meat fast, hence it's called the quick cooker. So we'll be back in a little while and show you the end result. All right, y'all, I let the steam out of the pressure cooker. You never wanna just open it up. So that's been done already. So take the top off. Ooh, looking good. Put this back. Ooh, lots of good gravy in there. Let me pull some of them out. Just a taste. So later we're gonna make a big pot of mashed potatoes to go with this. But in the meantime, we wanted to get this done. Oh my gosh, just fork tender. Awesome. And then these pretty carrots, soft, those are gonna be good too. And I can't wait to put some gravy on top of my mashed potatoes. That's gonna be awesome. So y'all, we just showed you how to make an easy, quick, less than an hour to make an easy beef stew. And so we hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you want to see more like this, check out our next recipe on the video right up here. Carrots. Mike got me 2 bunches of carrots because they were tiny. These are the organic ones. So if you prefer, I was having fun with these things. Like a cheerleader. They could be earmuffs. They could be a bouquet. All kind of stuff. Okay, back to cooking. We're kind of skinny, so we got me 2 batches. So I took them all and I just used my vegetable peeler and, took off that outer skin and then washed them really well. So all I want to do is chop these up. But first, let me back up. Beep, beep, beep. I forgot. We need to get that meat started. For goodness sake. Mike is back there distracting me. Okay.
Okay, mic check again.
Okay. This is Beryl at Cajun Cooking TV.
It's a wrap.